you washing your face, Mom? No one sees you on Saturday nights except the pizza delivery guy.
Hey, little Timmy appreciates a healthy glow.
Herbie's picking me up, so I gotta get home. Which purse goes better, the black or the chestnut?
Black.
Oh, I like the chestnut. Can I have them both?
Yeah?
Can I have them all?
What if I need them?
When? You haven't been on a date since you've been single again.
Why don't you come out with me and my friends, Mom?
Really? I'd love to.
Oh, you would?
Relax, sweetheart. I wouldn't do that to you.
Oh, she just hates to see you spend your Saturday nights alone, Jilly.
I'm fine, you guys. And I look forward to my Saturday nights.
Me too. I love shopping in your closet.
Are those my shoes?
Not tonight.
What you reading, Mom? Don Juan?
He's the greatest romantic hero of all time. You know what he calls the woman he loves? La Donna de mi corazón.
What's that mean?
The mistress of my heart.
Except Don Juan is fictional, just like your mother's love life.
Tiny Man makes a good point.
He also makes a good bookmark.
Help! Open page 62.
Oh, thanks a lot. All my green stuff came out.
I think your mother ought to get out of her book and get out on the town.
Get out of my tub.
Make me.
I wish you would get out of my bathtub.
You cheat!
I will go out as soon as I meet the right guy. Someone romantic and passionate who worships the ground your mommy walks on.
Hi! I'm Jillian. Hold me, love me, love me!
Mom, you're never gonna go anywhere if you keep holding out for Don Juan.
I'll be fine. Go, have fun. Be careful. And you, stay out of my love life.
Me? I would never. I wouldn't even know how. Would I? No, don't meddle. She said very clearly she wants you to stay out of her love life. I wonder what she really meant.
Jillian, a name that tastes like honey on my tongue.
You're not little Timmy.
I am DJ from the Pizza Pagoda. Little Timmy has spoken to me of this mysterious woman who orders from a restaurant every Saturday night. I never dreamed you'd be so very beautiful.
I have to get my wallet. Oh, look at that. What do I owe you?
It is I who owe you, Jillian. You see, before this very moment, I did not know what beauty was.
Will you look at that? Romantic, passionate, and he's got a job.
Perhaps it is too bold for a mere pizza franchise owner to ask for an evening of your time.
He's asking you out!
Come on, I don't even know him.
Get over there!
Are you in love with another?
No?
Then perhaps it is me you have been waiting for.
Oh, that is not just a line. That's an adventure.
How's tomorrow night?
Here we go.
Tomorrow night is so very beautiful.